Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really easy popsicle stick Indian flag. So let's start. First, to make the flag, you should take 6 ice cream sticks. You should paint 2 of them in orange, 2 of them in white and 2 of them in green. Now you should take a bigger ice cream stick. You can leave it as it is, but I have painted it with a light brown shade. Now we should stick all these on the bigger stick. Like this, and now you should allow it to dry. After it dries, you should draw an Ashoka chakra in the center. For that, you should draw a circle first. I am going to be drawing it with a blue pen. After drawing the circle, we should draw lines inside it. Like that. And now we have finished making the popsicle stick Indian flag. It was really easy making this, so do try making this at home. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, smash that like button, share it with all your friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.